Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. I thought what we'd do is we'd have a quick look at these DormaKaba handles. Dorma used to be Dorma and Kaba used to be Kaba, and then they came together and we have DormaKaba. Part number on these is 888/18SX. Passage, set, pair. This is one pair. These are available from our lock shop. So let's just do a little quick unboxing here. We have some instructions. There's the instructions telling us on our back set and our whole footprint. You can use this template by folding it and putting it up against the door like so. Coming through the door with your 24mm speed bore, and this will tell you on how to set up the handles as well. I'll tell you all that as well, so you don't need to read them. Let's chuck them aside. Unboxing, yep, unboxing complete. Here's a handle. Comes with a nice protective coating here. These are good for mortise locks. We've used these on the Dorma mortise locks and some of the other Lockwood ones. They're your standard type of handle you'd use on a unit front door or a commercial type premises. They're quite solid here. These would be solid brass with a nice stainless finish. To get this escutcheon off here, or this ring, you simply just grab it and twist it. If it's painted on, a good little trick is to use a rubber glove. That will give you extra grip. Then you come through here and you can see the actual footprint. So you've got top and bottom, or left and right. You'll also notice there's a hexagon shape on the inside there. That allows you to put in your screws and then for them not to rotate. It's a good idea to put the screws attaching from the inside, meaning that if somebody was to come along, they can't undo the handle from the outside. They're always undone from the inside. Okay, so we have another handle here. This would be exactly the same. As you see, there is no latch included in this set. This is just purely handles, and you would do the same. Just give it a bit of a spin. There is an O-ring here, and that's what retains this plate to that. And once again, you have the same footprint. Some people put a screw on the inside and a screw on the outside. It's completely up to you how you want to do it. All right, so let's just push them back down there. The screws now. This is the most important bit, especially when you're fitting into the door. It's good to have all these parts. Okay, so we have a solid state spindle. That simply goes in here, 7.8mm I would say, and goes in here, and then would be driving your latch. If you wish to use these handles with the mortise lock, they also come with the spindle and spring. Now the way that these go into the handle, take note, is the spring goes into the handle to push this spindle outwards, like that. So it is spring loaded. And you would do that on both sides before attaching it to the door, like that. Then you would come along and attach them to the door using these two screw and stand off, or we just call them sex nuts, but you know, different places have different terminology for them. As you can see here, they've got little voids in the thread. What that is for is so that you can cut it in that position to allow for the door thickness. So at the moment it's set to the longest one. You would go through, put it through your handle like so, find out what is protruding where you need to cut it, and then put the corresponding standoff on the other side. Set that off. Like so. This has a hexagon, like I was saying before. This top bit here has the accompanying hexagon. So once that is in there like that, that would then not be able to rotate, and the handle could be tightened up nicely with a countersunk head so that the plate can go over the top. And this is what you'd be seeing from the inside. It's important to have the right screw so that this plate goes all the way down. That's one of the benefits when they include all the parts. So you get 2 screws, 2 standoffs, 2 spindles with springs, and 1 solid spindle included. Okay, so this is available from our lock shop. You can find it. I'll leave the link down in the description. You can leave comments if you wish, or any questions. Part number 888/18SX, and not bad handles. Not cheap quality, strong quality, commercial grade quality, and yeah, we use them all the time for mortise locks and things like that. Thanks for watching.